Chili Cornbread Casserole comes together in under 1 hour. Use your favorite chili or cornbread mix, and this is what you get after 1 hour. I've garnished this with a little bit of sour cream and some salsa. If you want to know how to make this delicious, I got my Cinco de Mayo recipe dinner for Cinco de Mayo. Keep watching. Here are the ingredients for chili cornbread. I'm going with an 8x8 pan. I'm going to spray it with some nonstick cooking spray. You need 1/3 cup of milk. I'm going to use 1 can of Hormel chili. My husband does not like chili at all, but he will eat that chili, and it doesn't have beans. For the cornmeal mix, you need 1 egg, 1/3 cup of milk. I'm using Jiffy, and I'm going to add 1/2 can of that corn. It's not cream corn, regular corn. And I've got some quesadilla cheese to go inside the corn. When I mix this together, quick, fast, easy meal, comes together in under 1 hour. And if you have your own favorite chili recipe, please use that. In this household, we can only go with Hormel, no beans. So let me get everything set up. Let's get cooking. Step 1, I'm going to put the chili in the bottom of the pan. I'm going to spread. Looks likely to stick. And like I said, I'm using Hormel chili. Use whatever chili you like. My husband is not a chili fan at all, so he will eat Hormel. Here's 1 can. And just spread that out along the bottom. This is my Cinco de Mayo meal, because I love Mexican food. He's not really a fan, my husband, of any Mexican food. And we don't have any children, so it's just he and I that I cook for. Now we're gonna make the Jiffy cornbread mix. Okay, I'm using 1 box of Jiffy cornbread. To this, I'm adding 1/3 cup of milk, 1 egg that I like to crack separately in case you catch a shell. And normally when I eat my eggs, I pull that white thing out. There's no way I would eat that, but we're gonna go ahead and put that in there. I'm gonna use about 1/2 can of just golden corn. Now you can add black beans. If this was just for me, I would use Rotel. I would use some green chilies. I would really take this to a whole nother level. We're going to get this mixed and combined. This comes together. This cooks for about 35 to 45 minutes until the cornbread is done. I have my oven set to 375 degrees. See how quick and easy this is? And you can use cream corn if you like. I just wanted the corn to be more pronounced. So that's why I am using just regular corn. I'm gonna scoop this on top. If you have cilantro, definitely, if you like it, use it. I love cilantro, but this is a shared dish. You can use black olives. You can add black beans to this. You can take this anywhere you want to go. Pickled jalapeños, all those would be delicious. Just want to spread this out. Okay, into the oven, 375 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. I decided to add the cheese later. I'm going to put the cheese on top. I didn't mix it in with the cornmeal mix, but I am going to add a layer of this quesadilla cheese 5 minutes before I take it out of the oven. Okay, after 30 minutes, I'm now going to add some cheese to the top of this. You don't have to. You could mix the cheese inside the cornbread if you like, but we're lactose intolerant, so I kind of have to go light on the cheese, guys. Like I said, for me personally, I wanted some green chilies in here. You can use a sliced avocado on the side. I would have put some rotel, some extra chili seasoning, but like I said, I have to cater to my husband's taste on this. So back in the oven another 5 or 10 minutes and this should be all set, and I'll be able to tell you guys my joke. And thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. My name is Jennifer. I upload 2 videos a week and always include an inspirational quote to keep you happy and on your grind, and give you some faith and a controversial joke to make you laugh. There it is, 40 minutes, start to finish, 1 hour. The Florida State Department of Fish and Wildlife is advising hikers, hunters, fishers, and golfers to take extra precautions and keep alert for alligators while in Brevard, Broward, Hillsborough, Orange, Palm Beach, and Sarasota counties. They advise people to wear noise-producing devices such as little bells on their clothing to alert but not startle the alligators unexpectedly. They also advise carrying pepper spray in case of an encounter. It is also a good idea to watch for fresh signs of alligator activity. People should recognize the difference between small young alligators and adult alligator droppings. Some young alligator droppings are smaller and contain fish bones and possibly bird feathers. Adult alligator droppings have little bells in them and smell like pepper spray. Oh my God, that's terrible. So those are the people who have been eaten, the adults with the pepper spray and the bells. I thought that was kind of cute. Thank you guys for watching. Give this a try. Like I said, use your own special cornbread chili recipe or cornbread recipe for this. This is just, my channel is all about quick, fast, and easy. And like I said, my husband doesn't eat chili at all, period, unless it's at a restaurant with a chili dog. Whatever chili they make, he'll eat that. But if he spots any beans, he won't touch it. So we've been eating Hormel chili now for about 40 years. I like it. I think it's good, and you can definitely add the cheese to the cornbread mix, which I started to do, then I changed my mind. And like I said, add green chilies, red chilies, pickled jalapeños. I had sour cream and salsa. You can add cilantro, many different things to this to make it your own. And let me know if you give this recipe a try. Like I said, it's super easy, and I made it for Cinco de Mayo, an homage to Mexican food because I absolutely love it, and my husband won't eat it. So please like, subscribe, and share, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. God bless.